Hey everyone, welcome to Learn Python from Scratch Now, your go-to series for mastering Python programming step by step. Whether you are just starting out or brushing up your skill, this series is designed to make coding simple, fun, and rewarding. Let's talk about Python for a second. No, not the snake, the programming language. Python is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly programming language out there. It's used in almost every tech field imaginable: web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, you name it. Fun fact: Python is ranked as one of the top programming languages in the world. From startups to tech giants like Google and Netflix, everyone uses it. And here's why: Python is easy to learn, yet powerful enough to handle complex projects. It's like having the best of both worlds. So, what's about this series? In Learn Python from Scratch Now, we're breaking everything down into simple and digestible steps. You won't need any prior programming knowledge to follow along. Our goal is to make sure you feel confident and excited about coding. What's coming up? Here's a sneak peek of what you can expect in the upcoming videos. First up, we'll start with setting up the environment and run your first Python program. Next, we'll learn about basics of Python, dive into variables, data types, and operators. After that, we are going to learn about control flow statements and loops to make our program smarter and structured. Along with that, we'll have some hands-on experience where we will build real-world mini projects like calculator or a simple game. After that, we can dive into some advanced topics, discover data structure, object-oriented programming, and powerful libraries like NumPy and Pandas. This series is designed with you in mind. We know how overwhelming programming can feel, especially at the start. But trust me, Python makes it easier than you think. With every video, you learn something new and get closer to writing your own program. And yes, there will be plenty of examples, practice exercise, and maybe even a few coding challenges to keep it interesting. Ready to get started? Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss a single video. Drop a comment below and let me know what excites you about learning Python programming. Let's create an amazing learning journey together. Thanks for tuning in for the first episode of Learn Python from Scratch. The next video is all about getting set up and running your very first Python code. I'll see you there. Let's make learning Python fun and rewarding, one step at a time. Bye bye.